Hello. Looking to make your mornings more productive? Please watch the entire video and don't miss the bonus step at the end. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such videos. Hi Joy. It's so good to see you after such long time.
Hi Scribby, how are you?
I am good, Joy. What about you? What's keeping you so busy these days?
Seriously, I feel I work so hard, still there is no time for anything else apart from my work. It seems all my waking hours are only spent in finishing my unfinished work every day. There seems to be no progress in my life.
Bro, I think you need to change your habits and build a superpower morning routine like I have.
What is a superpower morning routine?
This is an 8 steps routine that I follow to win my day and have a purposeful life. Let me show you. The first step. Sleep with a purpose for the next day. Most people feel that any morning routine starts with waking up early. But the secret is to sleep early and sleep with a purpose for the next day. Every night before going to bed I reflect on my entire day, I make a note of the most important goal I want to achieve the next day. And read that note aloud to myself before sleeping. The next obvious step is to wake up early. I always ensure to wake up either before or with the sun. This is extremely important as waking up early gives me the extra time for self-care and preparation for the day ahead. The third step is to hydrate my body with a glass of water and kickstart my metabolism. This is followed by the fourth step, that is to stretch my body and do a 30 minutes yoga practice to awaken my body and improve flexibility. You can switch it with any form of exercise or walking as per your convenience. Remember, being physically active is the most important key. After all, a healthy body ensures you enjoy all that your life has to offer. The fifth step that I do is to calm my mind with meditation and mindful breathing. This helps to reduce all my stress and helps me focus. During this time, I even make it to point to review my goals for the day and journal my progress. The next step is to get ready for the day, and while getting ready I recite positive affirmations aloud to myself, reaffirming myself of my potential and building my confidence. These motivating affirmations are the key to get you through to your tough times. The seventh step is something which many people neglect. That is to have a healthy breakfast. You cannot run a car without energy, and similarly you need to give energy to your body with nutritious breakfast. Never skip the most important meal of the day. Also, before leaving for work I make it a point to talk to my family for a few minutes and also randomly give a quick phone call to any of my friends. This 8th step of connecting with my loved ones helps me nurture my relationships and reminds me what I am coming back to in the evening after work. These 8 steps together make my superpower morning routine.
Wow Scribby, that's an awesome routine. I'm going to start these today itself.
That's great. I'll give you a bonus step as well. Avoid using any form of social media during your superpower morning routine. Take a break from your phone or gadgets and always enjoy a screen-free morning. To all those watching this video, I hope this routine helps you have a more productive and happy morning. Do let me know your own superpower morning routine in the comments below. Please do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get all notifications from Scribby. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.